Yes, guys. Good morning, everyone.
Grace, how sweet the sound. Goodbye for 10 years now. It's been great for the 10, but it's time to move on to the great apartment in the sky. Goodbye, apartment. Goodbye.
Yes, hi guys. This is the last day for us. So before I leave here, I just be sure that everything must be clean. Like this. I did all my best to clean up this old apartment and all here in the living room, guys. I mop, I sanitize everything. Also here in the bathroom. This is in our bathroom. I tidy up everything. Brush all the floors and all over our fridge. I empty for them. I clean up everything over here, and also our drawers and cabinet. I clean up for them before we leave, all the kitchen sink and everything, guys. I washed all these and inside and everything.
One place you didn't. One place you didn't.
It's okay. And then
Is it?
that's it. Yeah, I did that one last
You
night.
didn't move the fridge.
Yeah, me and Jim was moving.
When?
Last night when you were sleeping. Yeah. So that's it. We say goodbye for this apartment. This is our last day, and today also we start for our new journey of living, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and those who follow us, thank you so much for all your support.
You take that bottle.
Bye bye everyone. See you in my next live.